What does it take to tear apart solid rock and move entire mountains every single hour? Have you ever imagined controlling a mechanical beast that weighs over 1,000 tons and runs on massive hydraulic power? But how far can engineers push these giants before the heavy earth fights back and breaks them down? Today, we are heading deep inside some of the biggest open-pit mines on the planet. We are checking out the absolute kings of excavation and looking at exactly how they operate in the toughest conditions. We will go from old-school hydraulic legends all the way to an absolute monster that completely defies the laws of physics. Let's get right into it. We begin our descent into the abyss with a legendary pioneer of the industry, the 1995 Hitachi EX1800-2 front shovel. Driven by a roaring dual turbocharged engine system cranking out an impressive 1,800 horsepower. This classic mechanical powerhouse commands absolute respect on the pit floor. Watch as its massive front shovel aggressively bites into the rock face, effortlessly scooping up over 13 cubic yards of dense material in a single fluid pass. The air thumps with the raw, vintage vibration of pure hydraulic pressure, a nostalgic symphony of heavy metal that shakes the ground beneath your feet. Standing over 20 feet tall, its weathered steel superstructure represents an era of unbreakable, analog engineering. In this deep pit operation, it perfectly synchronizes with a fleet of classic Euclid Hitachi EH1700 haul trucks, filling their 110-ton beds in just a few precise loading cycles. As a true industrial giant of its time, the EX1800-2 laid the very blueprint for modern high-production mining, proving that legendary power never fades. If you think this vintage workhorse is impressive, our next machine takes things even further, stepping squarely into the modern era of high-efficiency excavation. Enter the Liebherr R9350, a modern industrial giant built specifically to dominate the most hostile environments known to man. Underneath its sleek, imposing superstructure lies a ferocious Cummins diesel engine delivering a staggering 1,500 horsepower. This advanced powertrain yields an incredible breakout force, allowing the mechanical titan to tear through compacted subsoil and stubborn bedrock with surgical precision. The hydraulic whine of this machine is sharp and intense, sounding like a high-tech factory compressed into a single mobile weapon of mass excavation. Towering like a mechanical titan, its massive track footprint ensures rock-solid stability even when lifting loads that would snap ordinary steel. In this unique operation, it loads heavy subsoil onto a low highway configuration featuring the legendary Caterpillar 777D haul truck. By rapidly filling the Cat 777D's 100-ton payload capacity, the R9350 serves as the critical heartbeat of this massive infrastructure project, proving itself an indispensable asset in modern heavy civil engineering. But as deep pit mining demands higher volume, the physical scale must expand, leading us to a specialized beast from the world's leading heavy equipment manufacturer. Behold The Caterpillar 6030B, a heavy equipment masterpiece engineered explicitly for high-output, deep-pit mining operations. This colossal machine is weaponized with twin Cat C15 engines, producing a combined 1,530 horsepower, offering an unmatched balance of speed and raw muscle. It rips through heavy ore bodies, utilizing its advanced tri-power shovel geometry to maximize bucket filling factors with every single dig. The sound of the 6030B is a deep, rhythmic growl of modern American engineering, a testament to pure, uninterrupted industrial productivity. Its immense structure dwarfs everything around it, standing as a towering monument of high-strength steel and complex hydraulic lines. This industrial powerhouse is responsible for moving thousands of tons of material every single shift, ensuring the global supply chain of vital minerals never stops. Within the mining hierarchy, the 6030B is recognized as the ultimate mid-tier champion, bridging the gap between standard excavators and the absolute mega monsters of the earth. Stepping up the ladder of raw scale, the Hitachi EX1800 emerges from the dust cloud as a true engineering marvel. This massive hydraulic excavator relies on a monstrous 1,900 horsepower engine, turning high-pressure fluid into unstoppable physical force. It commands a colossal bucket, scooping up to 29 cubic yards of dense material, moving entire mountainsides in a matter of hours. The sound experience is overwhelming, with a deep, low-frequency hum that shakes the entire mine pit hundreds of feet away. Visually, it dominates the pit floor like a multi-story building on tracks, casting a shadow over the support vehicles operating around it. Day in and day out, the EX3600 extracts high-grade ore from the deepest sections of the pit, maintaining absolute structural integrity under immense geological pressure. It stands as a pinnacle of heavy engineering, recognized worldwide as a legendary high-speed loading solution for ultra-class mining operations. Now, let's step directly inside the command center of one of the most popular and productive mega combinations in the entire global mining industry. Witness the incredible Caterpillar 6040 mining excavator in action as it aggressively loads heavy overburden into enormous Hitachi EH3500 dump trucks. Powering this massive titan are twin diesel engines generating a mind-boggling 2,036 horsepower, allowing it to effortlessly command a 29 cubic yard bucket. From the sheer size of the excavator to the extreme precision of the rapid loading cycles, this footage captures the raw power and expert skill involved in large-scale mining operations. We get an exceptional view of the operator working from inside the state-of-the-art cabin, showcasing the incredible control and years of experience needed to handle a machine of this magnitude so efficiently. The cabin feels like a high-tech cockpit, hovering high above a mechanical war zone, where the deafening roar of the engine meets smooth, pilot-like control movements. This massive setup is the literal lifeblood of ultra-deep open-pit mines, where the 6040 serves as the ultimate catalyst for high-speed material haulage. If you are enjoying this deep dive into the world's most powerful mechanical titans, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss another heavy machinery breakdown. Next up is the Terex RH340B, an absolute giant engineered to tackle heavy excavation in the toughest conditions. Unleashing a massive 2,000 horsepower, its powertrain turns pure hydraulic energy into immense digging force, Configured as a powerful face shovel, it can swallow up to 44 cubic yards of material in a single bite. The air fills with a deafening mechanical roar, mixed with the sharp hiss of high-pressure hydraulics working at their absolute limit. Visually striking in its vibrant emerald green, this steel titan completely dominates the landscape as it positions itself right at the foot of a steep, towering dirt and rock wall. It systematically tears down the massive vertical bench, clearing away tons of dense material with absolute ease. The RH340B remains an elite powerhouse in the industry, proving that high-volume mining requires both raw muscle and perfect precision. But the boundaries of mechanical engineering are meant to be pushed even further, and our next giant completely shatters the scales of standard design. Prepare yourself for the Komatsu PC7000, a massive mechanical titan designed to operate at the absolute limit of modern physics. This engineering marvel is propelled by dual diesel engines, hammering out an unbelievable 3,350 horsepower, providing the muscle required to rip through solid earth. It works with a colossal 47 cubic yard bucket, built specifically for high-volume material handling. Watch as it smoothly swings over the bench, dumping its massive load and creating a thick shroud of dust as it settles into the haul truck's bed. In this ultra-class setup, the PC7000 is perfectly paired with the legendary Komatsu 930E haul truck, a 320-ton payload monster that requires the immense scale and maximum reach of this excavator to be loaded efficiently. Operating under a vast, clear blue sky within a sweeping, arid, open-pit landscape, these twin yellow giants completely dominate the rugged terrain. This combination represents the absolute gold standard of high-volume mining haulage, serving as the ultimate backbone of the world's largest material extraction operations. If you thought the Komatsu PC7000 was the absolute limit of human ingenuity, think again. Our final machine changes the very nature of excavation, entering the realm of the true kings of the earth. Finally, we reach the undisputed king of the deep pits, the colossal Liebherr 996 shovel, working in tandem with the massive 830 EDC haul dumper. This absolute masterpiece of engineering is powered by twin diesel engines exploding with 3,000 horsepower, pushing the boundaries of what hydraulic steel can endure. Configured as a powerful face shovel, its huge bucket cuts aggressively into the pit floor, scooping up tons of dense, dark, wet, sticky clay and muddy material. The experience is pure industrial muscle, a deep roar mixed with the heavy thump of the sticky earth being violently loaded into the haul truck bed. Visually, it stands like a white steel monument, completely dominating this rugged, waterlogged pit floor as it dictates the entire production rate of multi-billion-dollar mining operations. The Liebherr 996 stands alone at the pinnacle of global mining history, proving human ingenuity has no limits. Which of these incredible mechanical titans impressed you the most? And do you think human engineers will ever build a hydraulic excavator that can surpass these deep pit giants? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Hit that like button and make sure to share this video with your fellow heavy machinery enthusiasts to keep the big iron rolling.